All right, so let's start with the sign out function. We'll create a function called sign out WebAuthn user. Okay, and then we'll add also a completion handler with an escaping boolean, so we can tell the main view controller when a user has been successfully signed out. Then we can dismiss the main view controller, right? So we'll do a completion handler. And then add escaping, boolean, turns void. Okay, all right, so let's open this up. All right, so we'll add our URL request with the sign out API endpoint and have it return the response data if it has been successfully signed out, right? So let's do that. So we'll do Alma Fire request, and then we'll add in our sign out API endpoint. Okay, and then we'll our method get request. Okay, now response data. Okay, and then response data. Okay, just to show you, this will be the route we'll be hitting, right? Okay, so add our switch statement, our response data, our response dot status code. Okay, all right, next we'll add our cases. Okay, so if successfully signed out, case 200, we'll put successfully signed out user. Okay, and then we'll add a completion handler. That's true, right? Okay. All right, and then next case, it's dot none. Then we'll add a print statement of response not found. And then completion handler false. So our main view controller doesn't get dismissed. Okay, and case dot sum. We'll print unknown response. Add a string describing the response. Okay, all right, and that should be it for signing out our user. So let's move on to deleting the user. And it's also similar. So we'll do func delete user count. Also add the completion handler, just copy this. Makes our life easier. All right, open that up. Okay, so start with the request. Do delete user credential API endpoint. Method, it's gonna be a dot get. Or let's see, actually it's a dot delete, I believe. Let's double check. Yeah, it's a delete. Okay, so dot delete. Our response data. Okay, and then response data. And okay, and then same thing as well. You know what? Let's just also copy this. This is very similar, but instead of 200, it'll be 204 if it has been successfully deleted. So we'll put successfully deleted user account. All right, and then response not found, if it's dot none, dot sum, yeah, unknown response, right? Okay, and that should be it, I believe. And let's see, on the completion handler, if it's deleted account, yeah, so it'll be true, so we can handle on dismissing it um, later on, right, in the uh, view controller. So let's all we have to do now, I believe, is just implement it in our app delegate and put it in our view controller. So we'll move on to that in the next video.